Thank you very much, Professor Nasir and Professor Hanif. Professor Hanif, he's a philosopher and as well as a good friend of us and good colleague of us as well. So all the time, he been encouraging all the juniors, especially uh, खुदी कसर नेहा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह खुदी है तेरे फिसा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह। एक वो इकबाल का शेर है जिसमें फितरत कदाए खाक पे शाकर नहीं रहता, हर लहजा है दाने को जुनून नशो नमा का। फितरत के तकाजों पे न कर राहे अमल बंद, मकसूद है कुछ और ही तस्लीम और रजा का। जुर्रत हो नमू की तो फजा तंग नहीं, ए मर्दे खुदा मिलके खुदा तंग नहीं। इसका जो असल है वो इंसेंटिव, वो अगर हम हर सुबह उठते हुए अपने आप को दोबारा से इसी तरह रिवाइव करवाएं और इसी तरह रिमाइंडर दें और इसी तरह एनर्जी अपनी बूस्ट करके निकलें, तो मेरा ख्याल है कि एवरी डे वी गॉट ए न्यू एनर्जी, ए न्यू पैशन एंड ए न्यू एनर्जी फॉर योर डेस्टिनेशन। तो जैसे पहले भी मैंने कहा कि कोई भी चीज, नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल। whatever you determine, either you learn it before or you don't learn it before. You are right now in the era where you have your books, you have channel on YouTube. You can consult any person, any expert anywhere in the world. अभी जो आजकल हमारे अरशद नदीम साहब के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा है, the treating physician of him, Dr. Alisher Bajwa, he's class fellow of me. He's been working there as a sports surgeon in UK for so many years. He was a class fellow of me in King Edward Medical University. He was also a very good athlete during his time. He has broken all the record of King Edward Medical University. Before that, whatever was there in all kind of sports, especially athletes. So this is how कि जो चीजें मैं खुद से नहीं कर पाया तो मैंने इस बच्चे के अंदर वो चीजें देखी, तो मेरा दिल चाहा कि मैं इसको उस मुकाम तक पहुंचाऊं कि जिस मुकाम तक इसको जाना चाहिए था, जिस तक मैं नहीं जा सका। और मैंने इसको ऐसे ही लिया जैसे मेरे अपने बच्चों को मैं ट्रेन करता हूं। और he did twice or thrice a time his surgery of knee joint, his surgery of elbow joint, and make him able and encourage him till the last minute of his competition. It was words of Mr. Arshad that the last time when I was going for final throw, I was feeling that I have pain in my ankle, but he said, "तू शेर है, तेरा कोई मसला नहीं, तू कर लेगा." ठीक है, this is how you encourage your subordinates of your juniors. Same is over here. If I've been here, Professor Hanif is there, Professor Nasir is there, the rest of our colleagues are there. They always been in a position to encourage you. Whatever we gain, we have already gained. So this is the maximum we can achieve till our age as a professor or finally principals or vice chancellor. That is a bit political, posting. But rest of the things professionally, what we can achieve, we have already achieved. But it's now your time. You guys should come up with new ideas, come up with new energy, and you have to rule the world. At your age, the things will be definitely very different as compared to the time we've been trained. That at that time, orthopedic surgeon was supposed to do everything, including fixator to total hip replacement. Now it's the time you got all the time separate surgeons, that highly specialized areas right now. If someone is doing the surgery around the elbow joint, around the shoulder joint, around the knee joint, you've been doing everything from open surgery to arthroscopic surgery, and same is true for even for spine surgery. Now there is minimal invasive surgery that is through the endoscope or arthroscope or telescope, whatever you can use that minimal invasive. They are doing in whole of the world. And this is, the time you should, instead of keep on being slow or sluggish or lazy, you have to have been very, energetic and aggressive, and very sensitive for your career as well. Best of luck for all of you. Thank you once again, Professor Arif and Professor.
Uh, Once again, very well.